Now to angry testimony on Capitol Hill from Attorney General Pam Bondi on the Epstein files. She refused to directly apologize to Jeffrey Epstein's victims right behind her or answer questions about the investigation. And her exchanges with lawmakers quickly became confrontational, to say the least. Scott MacFarlane has more on this. Scott, good morning.
Hey, Nate, good morning. It was a fiery hearing that only fanned the flames of an Epstein files controversy that has already engulfed the Trump administration. The Attorney General acknowledged the survivors of Jeffrey Epstein's abuse seated right behind her, wearing white T-shirts in solidarity.
I am deeply sorry for what any victim has been through.
But when lawmakers asked Pam Bondi to apologize for the Department of Justice's handling of the Epstein files, she refused.
Will you turn to them now and apologize for what your Department of Justice has put them through?
I'm not going to get in the gutter for her theatrics.
Democrats and one Republican, Thomas Massie, blasted Bondi because her department mistakenly released the names of some Epstein survivors who wanted to stay anonymous.
Literally the worst thing you could do to the survivors, you did.
While redacting the identities of other people whose names appear in the files.
I want to know, were there any underage girls at that party or at any party that Trump attended with Jeffrey Epstein?
This is so ridiculous, and that they are trying to deflect from all the great things Donald Trump has done.
And question whether the Justice Department has spoken with some top Trump administration officials named in the files.
We have evidence that 3 senior officials within the Trump administration have ties to Jeffrey Epstein.
What does ties mean?
Bondi repeatedly refused to answer most questions from Democrats in a hearing filled with angry exchanges.
I believe you just lied under oath.
Don't you ever accuse me of a crime.
I believe you.
Bondi was also questioned about why Epstein's co-conspirator, Gayle Maxwell, was transferred to a low-security prison camp in the days after she sat for an interview with Bondi's deputy last year. Bondi said she was unaware of the transfer and only learned about it after the fact, even though it followed that visit by her top deputy, Todd Blanche, and was approved by the Bureau of Prisons, which she oversees. Vlad?
All right, Scott, thank you very much.